Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Nasha Parveen and today I am going to show you the question and answers of Science Standard 7 Transportation of Animals and Plants. So first of all, these are the short answer questions. Differentiate between RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Full form: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Function: carry oxygen, fight diseases and help in clotting. Color: red, white or colorless, colorless. Shape: disc shape, irregular, small cell fragments. Why do unicellular organisms do not need a transport system? Unicellular organisms like amoeba are made of only one cell, so materials can easily move in and out by diffusion. Hence, they do not need a specialized transport system. Explain the composition of blood. Blood is made up of two main components. Plasma: it is the liquid part of the blood. It contains water, nutrients, proteins, hormones, minerals and waste products. Second is blood corpuscles. These are the solid components suspended in plasma. They are RBCs, WBCs, platelets. Why is blood group matching necessary before transfusion? Blood group matching prevents harmful reactions in the body. Mismatched blood can cause serious health complications. What happens if compatible blood is transfused? Blood cells may clump, can cause serious illness or death. Why is blood donation important? Because it saves lives, helps during surgeries and emergencies, and useful for patients with diseases like anemia and cancer. How often can a healthy person donate blood? Male every 3 months and female every 4 months. Name the part of the human urinary system: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Write two functions of kidneys: remove waste substances from blood, maintain water balance in the body. What is the role of nephrons? Nephrons filter blood, removes waste and reabsorb useful substances like water and salts. What is the difference between dilute and concentrated urine? Dilute urine formed when more water is present, light in color. Concentrated urine formed when less water is present, dark yellow. What is homeostasis? Maintenance of internal balance in the body is called homeostasis. List any three symptoms of kidney stones: severe pain in abdomen or back, blood in urine, burning sensation during urination. Write causes of kidney stones: lack of water intake, high salt and protein diet, certain medicines, diseases like diabetes and obesity. Why is drinking water important in preventing kidney stones? Water dilutes urine and prevents accumulation of minerals that form stones. Can a person live with one kidney? Explain. Yes, a person can live a normal life with one healthy kidney. Write precautions to avoid kidney stones: drink plenty of water, avoid excess salt and protein, maintain healthy lifestyle. Name diseases that can damage kidneys: diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, tumors. List any two functions of transpiration: provides water for photosynthesis, produces cooling effect in plants, helps in upward movement of water. What are the waste products excreted by plants? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, excess water, salts, gums, resins and latex. What is the role of stomata in plants? Stomata help in exchange of gases, that is CO2 and O2, loss of water vapor during transpiration. Define ascent of sap. The upward movement of water and minerals from roots to leaves through xylem is called ascent of sap. What is translocation in plants? Translocation is the movement of food from leaves to other parts of the plant through phloem. What are the main functions of vascular system? It transports water and minerals, transport food to different parts of the plant. Now long answer questions. Explain arteries and veins in detail. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to body. It is thick, muscular and elastic walls. Blood flows at high pressure. Flow is jerky. Example, aorta. Veins carry deoxygenated blood to heart. Thin walls and wide lumen. Blood flows at low pressure. Have valves. Flow is smooth. Explain the functioning of the human heart. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium. It moves to the right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps it to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is added. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium through pulmonary veins. It moves to the left ventricle. Left ventricle pumps it to the whole body through the aorta. Explain the cardiac cycle. Explain the cardiac cycle, that is heartbeat. The cardiac cycle includes two phases: systole, that is contraction phase, and diastole, that is relaxation phase. Systole, atria contract and push blood into ventricles. Ventricles contract and pump blood to lungs and body. Diastole, heart muscles relax, chambers fill with blood. This cycle repeats about 70 to 72 times per minute. Explain blood donation and its importance. Blood donation is the act of voluntarily giving blood to help others. Importance: saves lives during accidents and surgeries, helps patients with diseases like anemia and cancer, stimulates production of new blood cells, reduce risk of heart diseases. Explain the process of urine formation. Blood enters kidneys, nephrons filter waste like urea, useful substances are reabsorbed, remaining waste forms urine. Urine passes through ureters, bladder and urethra. Describe the human excretory system with its functions. Kidneys filter blood and form urine. Ureters carry urine to bladder. Urinary bladder stores urine. Urethra removes urine from body. Function: removal of waste and maintaining balance. Explain excretion in animals. Unicellular organisms remove waste by diffusion. Aquatic animals excrete ammonia. Birds and reptiles excrete uric acid. Mammals excrete urea. Explain the dialysis process. Blood is taken from the body, usually arm artery. It is passed through a dialysis machine, artificial kidney. Waste substances like urea and salts are removed. Clean blood is returned to the body. Explain kidney transplant. A damaged kidney is replaced by a healthy kidney from a donor. It helps restore normal kidney function, used when both kidneys fail. What happens if both kidneys fail? Waste products accumulate in the body, blood purification stops, patient needs dialysis or transplant to survive. Explain the process of transpiration in plants. Plants take in carbon dioxide through stomata. During this process, water vapor is lost from leaves. This loss of water is called transpiration. Evaporation of water creates a suction force called transpiration pull. This helps roots absorb water and minerals from soil and transport them upwards. Describe the factors affecting transpiration. Temperature. Higher temperature increases transpiration. Humidity. Higher humidity decreases transpiration. Wind speed increases transpiration. Light opens stomata and increases transpiration. Water availability. Less water reduces transpiration. Explain transportation of water in plants. Water enters root hairs from soil. It moves through the cortex into xylem. Xylem transport water upward to the stem and leaves. Transpiration pull and root pressure help in this movement. This process is called the ascent of sap. Differentiate between xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water and minerals. Phloem transport foods. Direction. Xylem, it is upward side, and phloem, it is with both directions. Type, it is dead tissue and it is living tissue. How do plants excrete waste substances? Plants excrete waste by releasing gases CO2, O2, losing water through transpiration, storing waste in leaves, bark, roots, removing waste as gums, resins, latex, shedding leaves containing waste. Thank you.